have this cute brown leather shoulder bag on. It has this nice white and camel design strap here that goes, and you can let it down further if you like, with this little metal buckle piece here, so you can change the length if you like it longer, or if you like to have it a little bit shorter, you can do that as well. It has all these different zippers here and a protective zipper here behind if you want to put some money or your passport if you're traveling, so that'll go up against your body. So that's very nice. It's really cute, fun, and fashionable. Let me turn around so you can see how it lays on the back here. It's perfect for travel or everyday wear, so you can keep your belongings safe and look really cute.